Hidden in a nearby galaxy, the Tarantula Nebula is one of the most intense and fascinating star-forming regions ever discovered. Located inside the Large Magellanic Cloud, about 160,000 light-years away from Earth, this nebula stretches over 1,000 light-years across, making it far larger and more active than famous nebulae in our own galaxy. What makes the Tarantula Nebula so special is its extreme level of star formation. At its core lies a dense cluster of some of the most massive stars ever observed, including stars over 100 times the mass of our Sun. These stars burn incredibly hot and bright, releasing intense radiation and powerful stellar winds that shape the surrounding gas into web-like filaments, giving the nebula its spider-like appearance. If the Tarantula Nebula were as close to Earth as the Orion Nebula, it would shine so brightly that it could cast shadows at night. Scientists study this nebula to better understand how stars formed in the early universe. Because conditions inside the Tarantula Nebula are similar to those shortly after the Big Bang, it acts like a cosmic time machine, revealing how the first generations of stars may have formed. Even more fascinating, this region has been home to powerful supernova explosions, including SN 1987A, one of the closest observed supernova in modern astronomy. The Tarantula Nebula isn't just beautiful, it's chaotic, energetic, and constantly evolving, giving us a front-row seat to the life cycle of stars on a massive scale.